Excuse me, guys. My name is Piyush. I'm from India, from Delhi.
Very special in sports facilities.
Okay.
Brampton is very special in sport. You can play whatever you want.
You can be a part-time coordinator or you can work as a student ambassador, and you can also work. There are chaplaincies here, so you
Right.
can also work in that.
But it was the Weatherspoon's own website,
Yes.
not a job site.
So though you can easily get the jobs and something you need to fund, you can get that.
January intake students, especially, they should keep for 3-4 months.
Yes.
Like you guys came in January intake.
yes.
For September intake, guys, they can probably get it faster.
Faster.
So September batch is also bigger, but more jobs.
Yeah.
January batch is smaller, but also jobs are fewer.
University provides lot of part-time jobs, but you need to go to every site and you need to apply. If there are
So
chances,
Weatherspoon, it's a big restaurant chain.
it's big.
And you are
restaurant
part of the
chain.
kitchen staff.
Yeah,
How did
yeah.
you get that job? What are some of the things you didn't like?
If you are looking to study abroad, then watch this full video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.
Hampton University, and we have this Desi Society with us. So they are organizing, events for all the Indian subcontinent students and all international students, and they are celebrating Thanksgiving Day here today. Thank you guys for taking out time. Why don't you just introduce yourself and where you are from in India and what course are you doing?
I'm Melita Michelle Lobo, and I'm from Bangalore.
Mangalore?
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm doing psychology, masters in
You're
psychology.
doing masters in
Yeah.
psychology. And what about you?
I'm Pranav. I'm from Hyderabad, India, and I'm an event manager in Desi Society. So we guys doing today Thanksgiving for everyone. So we'll write, can anyone come and make posters? So we'll just give that posters, notes, everything to the helping staff, cleaning
Right.
staff. So at least they would be some happy, like students can write for us.
Right.
So we are making. So Desi Society is a part of Roehampton. We make each and every event which we doesn't feel home.
Right.
Like we make a.
So you're trying to help
Yeah.
students feel
Exactly.
like home,
Yeah.
away from home. And what are you studying here?
I'm studying masters in data science.
Masters in data science. So data science and psychology,
It's from different-
is
yeah.
from different fields.
Yeah.
And so tell me, what was your background in India? What did you study?
I have studied psychology, journalism, and English major.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
I've
did you
done-
work in India before?
Yeah, I have worked as an intern with kids in
With
school.
kids.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
And then you didn't have prior full-time experience, but then you came
yeah,
here.
yeah, yes.
Right.
yes.
And what did you study?
I have done my bachelor's in data science. After completing of my bachelor's, I directly flew to the UK.
Directly flew to the UK. So guys, you are coming here with not full-time experience. So now it's
Yeah.
but data science and psychology. Tell me, why did you pick the Roehampton University?
Because I felt one was the university here, White Lines, I'm staying right there. What I had researched was it is very student friendly, and people here, the time when I'd come, right, it's very welcoming. The students were so welcoming, understanding. So I felt like,
Yeah.
why not?
Right.
So, and I did have some people I knew who were studying here back then. So because of them also,
they
their
also recommended
yeah,
that-
recommended, yeah, and yeah, some of my people that I knew also recommended. So I thought, why not?
Why not?
And this is very a beautiful environment. Like the library here is so good. The study environment and everything. Yeah.
And how? Which intake did you come here in?
January.
In January. So it's
Yeah.
almost been
11
nine-
Yeah,
11 months.
11 months,
And
yeah.
you also came in
Same in
January.
January intake, yeah.
And why did you pick the Roehampton University?
The main thing I picked the Ramsay University is the lecturers are very best. Actually, in UK, everywhere it's a self-learning. But here, every lecturer helps the students. And main things, Roehampton supports students very much. About any events, everything. So if you want to make one event from your state, any festival, Roehampton helps us. So
Okay.
that's the best thing about Roehampton.
So you're saying it's student friendly, the
Exactly.
lecturers are very supportive, and do you guys find any kind of, less international experience here? Are you there mostly Indian, or you have students from multiple parts of the world?
No. It's like full of international, everywhere, every state, like every country. Not only Indians, there are like Ukrainians, Russians, Americans, everyone is there. It's not
So
like,
there are people from multiple countries in your
Yes,
class?
Exactly. Yeah.
Even in
mine,
psychology?
yes, there are multiple people, and you get a different kind of culture, what you don't know about people, and
Yeah.
that's very interesting to know. So yeah, it
And-
feels different and it feels good.
What is your tuition fee broadly for the 1 year masters?
Mine is like 2 years with placement here. It goes around 15,300 pounds.
15,300 pounds after all scholarships and everything.
Exactly. I got the 2,500 scholarship, so it's like 15,300. sir.
And how about you?
Mine, it was for 1 year course, it is 17,000 pounds.
17,000
Yeah.
pounds. And you did not get any like
No,
discounts
no,
or scholarships
no.
on it. So about 17,000 for you, because you got a scholarship, you could get it further reduced to 15,300. That's also quite economical for a UK university.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not that much too much, but being studying in a Roehampton, it's very good.
It's very good.
It's very good.
And the other universities are charging more compared to this, so
Right.
it feels like it comes in our budget.
It comes in your budget.
Yeah.
And how are you? Where are you guys living? You know, how do you manage the commute? This is slightly far from the metro station, about 20 minutes walk.
Yeah, it's 20 minutes. But we do have one bus called 265, which is Putney Bridge, and at night time it's like N72. It directly goes to this train station.
Right.
So it's not that much hard, but we can find easily.
Right, right.
And we have very good accommodations here, so people can come and stay here right here.
Closer to this place. Where are you staying?
In Whitelands.
Okay, it's very close by,
Close.
15 minutes
Yeah,
from
15
here.
minutes
And how
from
much
here.
is your rent?
It comes up to like what to say, like overall it is 6,000 pounds, like for
For the year?
Year, yeah.
For the year. So around 500 pounds.
Yeah, fine.
And you
Yeah.
are staying in like a sharing room or?
Yeah, it's like sharing. Bathroom, kitchen is sharing. It depends upon what flat do you choose. It can also be suite also.
You have your independent room.
Yeah.
But bathroom and kitchen is sharing.
Share.
As
Share.
hostels. Same as
Like a hostel.
Hostels. ke.
And where are you staying?
I stay in same university accommodation.
In university accommodation.
It costs me 550 per month.
550 per month.
But same thing. Kitchen and washrooms are common,
common?
but rooms are different.
Rooms are separate. So that's also, you get your privacy, you can study properly.
Yeah.
You can stay in university.
You can stay near to the
Yes,
university and
yeah.
you save so much time.
And we have very special in sports facilities.
Okay.
Roehampton is very special in sports facilities. You can play whatever you want. You know, like most of the people love cricket in India, right?
Yeah.
But after coming here, we can easily join in the cricket team. We'll play for tournaments. So it's very.
What all sports are you playing? You look like a fit guy like who loves
Yeah, I'll
sports.
play for Roehampton cricket.
Okay.
Recently, Roehampton got first place in last season. Got first place. Roehampton got first place. So we are telling people to join. Some people don't know that where we can join and everything. So they can check out our page. So
they can check out Desi Society, and you guys are helping everybody understand and make a happier life here. It's also so important, no, because we are away from family. We need to put in that. You guys are putting in that effort for all the new ones. You are almost here for a year. Tell us a bit about the job scenario. Are you, because you are living close to the campus here, did you guys find part-time jobs?
The thing is, right here in university, there is a UOR, University of Roehampton work, temporary work. So you can, students can apply through the website and they can get the job.
And
so
you
it's
got a part-time job
yeah,
through that?
Yeah, through that, yeah.
And what job are you?
I'm working as a LSA, Learning Support Disability Assistant, for the ones who are as a note taker, for the ones, autistic or ADHD students.
On the university?
In the
university. All right.
And there are other jobs also, like you can be a part-time coordinator, or you can work as a student ambassador, and you can also work, there are chaplaincies here, so you
Right.
can also work in that. So there are multiple opportunities for the students to
And with the part-time that you're doing, you're able to cover your living?
Yeah.
All right. And how about you?
I don't work in university. I work in it's called Wetherspoons. I work as a kitchen associate.
Right.
So it's not that much tough, but we need to go and explore it. Everywhere we need to explore it. University provides a lot of part-time jobs, but you need to go to every site and you need to apply. And you need to talk with the people, staff. So like, I need some part-time jobs. So they may provide you if there are
So
chances.
Wetherspoon, it's a big restaurant chain.
It's big.
And you are
restaurant
part of the
chain.
kitchen staff.
Yeah,
How did
yeah.
you get that job?
So, guys, let's take a small pause and let me tell you that I counsel hundreds of students looking to study abroad every month. And I am here to help you guys, not just with understanding your profile, which country or university is the best one for you, but help you through the admission process. And me and my team will get you your visa on time. And if you want a one-on-one counseling session with me, please go into the description. There is a link to my Calendly, and you can book a one-on-one slot with me. And let's get back to our video now.
I applied in the online called Wetherspoon something link. I forgot it because
So it was the Wetherspoon's own website,
Yes.
not a job site.
So one thing in UK, you should compulsory go to the official website of every store and every pub. So you can easily get the jobs and something you need to find, you can get that.
Understood. That's a very big insight, guys. Thanks for
Yeah,
sharing
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
So, guys, if you're looking for part-time or even full-time jobs, go to the official company
Official sites,
and store websites where you can find it in a much more. And they are the ones which they're going to prioritize.
Priority, yeah.
So, how much are you able to earn on an hourly basis there?
Currently, I'll get 13.30 pound per hour.
So, it's not like minimum wage. You're getting more than the minimum wage.
Because I'm working as a kitchen, right? So
Right.
it should be very busy.
Right. And of course, it's a very busy restaurant.
Very busy restaurant. You know,
It's not easy to work there.
Yeah.
And of course, then with that, you are able to manage your living expense
Easily.
easily.
We can manage living expenses and food, but it's fine. It's fine. You can survive in
You can
UK for
survive.
at least you as a student.
As a student.
Yeah.
And now that you are especially looking for a placement here, how are you targeting your first internship in data science?
I'm trying very much to place, but gonna see what happens.
Are you finding your friends being able to get placements or as part of the placement year?
So I am not yet into more in placement year. I need to explore it because I am currently in second semester. I need to just finish my second year. So maybe I'll try it for get placements, interns.
Yeah.
If you get internship, then it would be very
Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. I think if you are able to do that, then
Then
it's dream come true.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And how about you? What are you thinking about full-time work after you complete your year?
After I complete I'm planning to go for schools. So from there I could, do my counseling, or as an assistant counselor I have to also do the DBS check.
Right.
So yeah.
So tell us a little bit more about the DBS check.
It is for the students. It is mostly, why do you know? Because it comes under certain rules and regulations, because it is mainly for the safety purpose of the child. So based on that.
That
so,
you are
yeah,
okay. It's like okay to work with children.
Yeah,
So that's
okay
a
to
that's a
work. Yes,
DBS check
yes.
done by the UK government.
Yes.
And do you need any other certifications apart from your degree to get that assistant counselor role in a school?
Most probably you might want to, you can do other courses also, because I am right now into conversion. So after this I should do, if I want to be a proper counselor, I should do another course. So right now I'm not on that. So I'm trying to be somewhere, I want to work with schools and stuff. So yeah.
And have you identified any schools that might be
I
of good fit?
have checked through some websites. I currently don't remember which one, because multiple websites, some of my friends that I knew, they had suggested me. So I went through that, but exactly I'm not able.
And how are you guys finding the weather? I'm extremely
Yeah,
cold.
It's very cold. I guess 3 or 4 days back it was just slightly snowing, and it was very chill, and I was like, oh god, because it's my first time. Yeah.
Right. I think you guys. I don't think we see snow in in Hyderabad or in Mangalore. Right.
It's very good weather, but it's very unpredictable.
Very unpredictable.
In 1 minute it would be weather sunny, it would 1 minute it would be winter, it 1 minute it's windy, then it's too hard. But it's too cold compared to India.
So I've heard all good things from you guys, except that you're still figuring out your full-time job plans. What are some of the things that you found not so great about so far about your studying experience in the UK? What are some of the things you didn't like?
I wouldn't like to state that, because whatever I've experienced till now in terms of study maybe, or in terms of library, or with overall, I found it good itself. It's not that. But sometimes you find certain, because since I'm an Indian and this is a very English very, so at times certain concepts are, you need process a little slower.
That is-
You need to understand, analyze it. It takes a little time, but when you grasp it properly, you'll be able to understand it. So you need a little time. I need a little time at times.
And how many days you have classes in a week?
2 days.
2 days.
Yeah.
So you have 2 days classes. You have enough time to actually practice and kind of learn at your pace.
Because they have set up the class in such way that the students are able to also take up classes and also work, and also they are able to enjoy their own life.
Life as
So it shouldn't be like hectic
Hectic.
or rigid.
Right.
So it is very.
So you have a lot of time to make your own path. How about you? What is something that you don't like?
Mainly while I came to the UK, it was very difficult to find part-time because I would not explore that much, but we need to go outside or we need to go official websites. I used to not do that. I used to ask only friends that bhai suggest kar de kuch hai to bas. That the only thing. But then I started going exploring. But it's somewhat tough to find part time. But we need to have some skills, you know, like
How long did it take you to find your part-time job?
It caught me 4 months.
4 months.
Yeah.
And how about you?
It took me some months, I guess 3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months.
Yeah.
So especially for the students when they are planning, if they are coming here, budget for like 3-4 months at least, that you know.
And it also depends upon the intake which you are coming. Okay, like it's September, right? They, after December there would be not like much more businesses. So till Christmas it would be good. For January intake people, it's like very hard to find in 3-4 months. Compulsory you need to keep at least some budget for 3-4 months. Then you can.
For
easily
January intake students especially, they should keep for 3-4 months.
Yes.
Like you guys came in January intake.
yes.
For September intake guys, they can probably get it faster.
Fast it because it's like Christmas more
It's coming in, so then there are more opportunities. You can.
exactly.
And the September batch, it's much more bigger than the January, so you have a lot of opportunities for people. So yeah.
So September
That
batch is also bigger, but more jobs.
Yeah.
January batch is smaller, but also jobs are fewer.
Yeah.
But if you come with a January batch, you'll get 2 months of summer vacations.
Yeah.
That's the main advantage of January period. So that's
You get good spring break and autumn break, because spring is like everywhere. It's pretty flowers are
Yeah.
there, so it's beautiful.
So starting
yeah.
January, you get to enjoy the weather more. Starting September, you are thrown into the winter. And you are not used to it, it can be, you know, challenging. But brilliant guys, anything like you want to share and tell the students who are going to be coming in to UK next time or to Roehampton University, any advice that you would want to?
I would say one thing, just prepare your mind, that's it. Be confident and don't lose any hope. You know, it's like very tough starting, but don't lose any hope. Just come. I know everyone will do it, but don't lose hope, then that's what fine. That's what fine.
I would like to say life is all about risk.
It's
So
all
if
about
you don't take risk, you don't know what's coming in front of you.
London is full of ups and downs,
Yeah.
so we need to be like every time go with.
In London, you get life exposure. What is life? You'll get to know how can you manage on your own. Because still in India, even when you are away, also you know your parents are somewhere
Right.
near you. But here you are completely like isolated from your family. You're alone. You get to get the good exposure. You get to know how to work, how to do your own laundry, how to cook.
You become
everything.
independent,
You
yes.
become independent.
Right. And if
So,
you guys
yeah.
are away from home and you're feeling lonely, guys, come to the Desi Society,
Desi
and
Society.
and they are the ones making it more feel like home, warmer in the cold winters of London. And thank you so much, guys, for taking out time. I know you are having an event going on, taking out time to share your thoughts about studying here at Roehampton. And guys, if you want to know more about different universities in the UK, do subscribe to our channel. And I love you, and I will do this, continue doing this. So you just subscribe to our channel and see more reviews about different universities. And thank you guys so much for taking out time, and lovely meeting you both.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.